Hey!
Hi.
Welcome to another day in paradise. What would you do if the weather report was wrong and you don't know what to do because the weather report said it was going to rain, thunderstorm, and suddenly it's 28 degrees in Norway? Well, you just go ahead and find yourself a hidden waterfall.
So we are going to explore waterfall today. So
It's called
as
Solbergfossen.
Solbergfossen.
Yeah.
So Fossen in Norwegian means waterfall.
Yeah.
So
Let's
follow
proceed.
us.
It was quite difficult to find this parking spot. We actually lost our way one time. Thanks to ut.no. I think we tried to search it again and we finally managed to find this place. This fountain or this waterfall itself was not discovered for quite some time. It's so social media, especially Instagram, for this one that it started getting very famous. That's the signboard, and you see the small pathway that we're going to take. It's 28 degrees, so the plan is that we will probably swim in the waterfall. Yippee! Waterfall.
We have a small stream. So no, nice and peaceful here. So green. This is just 10-15 minutes of walk inside the forest.
Look, I found a waterfall. Hey. But unfortunately, it's not that big. It was supposed to be a big one. Yeah, well, it's probably not the right one. There's a board for Ringholland here. I don't know what that is, but maybe we should explore.
Yeah.
Shall we go down?
Yes.
Yeah. It's going towards the stream. I don't know if it's a stream or a river. Let's see. Well, we just figured out that there was a board which said Fossen. So we're trying to find out, maybe that's the place. So finally, we did manage to take a dip in the water. It was good. It was good. I like that. It was. It felt cold in the beginning, but once you were in the water, it was amazing feeling. I was actually swimming below that big one over there, actually, and then we managed to come over there and come here, and finally we did. The goal is to go to that one, to follow the sun and swim over there. It has been some people, at least 10-15 people swimming in the waterfall. It's fantastic weather. I don't think you get better than this in Norway, or at least I have not seen it. So wow, nice weather for a swim, nice place for a swim.
Even waterfall with natural swimming pool.
Yay! Didn't we have a good day, Mitali?
Yeah, it was amazing. Super fun.
It is something about the natural swimming pools or natural waterfalls and swimming pools.
Yeah, and if the weather is so good, we would definitely recommend this place. You have to come here and enjoy the waterfall. And the best thing about this waterfall is there are different levels of this waterfall. There's one big, and then gradually goes down. The flow goes down. So you have a different natural swimming areas which are scattered around the whole place, and you can bring your family, friends, and bring some food with you, and you can easily spend an entire day here.
Bring some small barbecue grill.
Yeah, that
Actually,
would be super fun.
We missed
bring
it.
some music. Why
We
not?
missed it, but we saw some people
Yeah,
grilling actually,
yeah,
and it looked so much more fun.
yeah.
Yeah.
And it is very nice to have a warm, nice food after taking a plunge into natural swimming pool.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the good thing is this place is not that far from Oslo.
Yes.
It was just 70 kilometers
Hmm.
from Oslo, and it took us around
1 hour for our drive.
1 hour from drive.
Yeah.
So, sure.
When you reach the parking area, just cross the road, take the immediate right, a small pathway, and follow that red mark which you see over there on the trees. And you would be walking right besides a river. You can actually hear the river when you walk there. So you are sure that you have not missed the area. And then you should look out for some small pathways towards the left side, towards the stream. And then you would reach to the small swimming areas that Mitali was speaking about. It was super fun. I think we'll actually do this again someday when the weather is good, of course.